Good morning, students. Today, let us study about the subject statistics. Statistics is a study that deals with the collection and analysis of data. It is mostly used to keep records and collect probabilities. Now, let us discuss about the purpose of the study of statistics. It improves our life. That is, it keeps us informed about what is happening in the world around us. It can be used as a tool to know manpower and also used to fix taxes and levies. It tells us any trends in what happened in the past and can be useful in predicting what may happen in future. To be more specific, in everyday life, it helps to make many predictions. The second purpose is to compare two or more data sets. Data is any group of measurements which provides information for the decision maker. For example, every time when you go to cast your vote, you compare the performance of the current administration, and similarly, statistics helps to compare prior weather condition with current weather to predict future weather. Stock analysts also use statistical models to forecast what is happening in the economy. The third purpose is to make decisions under uncertainties. An increasing sense of uncertainty reflects a changing environment that will impact the choices we make. Statistics helps us in recognizing, accommodating these changes and provides the opportunity to increase decision making effectively. The fourth purpose is to evaluate critically the information presented in reports, articles, etc. Statistical knowledge helps us to study, to assess the validity of the data, completeness of reporting, methods and procedures, conclusions, compliances with ethical standards. This process used to identify the strength and weakness of a research. Now let us see where does the word statistics has been originated. It has been derived from the Latin word status or the Italian word statista or the German word statistic, each of which means a political state. That is, political statements, the administrative affairs of a state or a country, such as facts and figures regarding defense force, population, housing, food, financial resources, etc. Therefore, it is employed as a tool in solving or analyzing the problem of a country. Now, let us discuss about the growth of statistics. Initially, it was concerned with political, economic and demographic particulars of a country. Demographic particulars means the study of changing number of births, deaths, disease, etc. in a country over a period of time. This was later extended to include the analysis and interpretation of such data. It has been organized as a science of statehood. Science of statehood means information collected about states or countries and is recognized by all disciplines like agriculture, economic, commerce, medicine, industry, education, etc. The large requirement of data processing have made statistics a key application of computing hardware. A number of statistical concepts have an important impact on a wide range of sciences. Therefore, today there is no other human walk of life where statistics cannot be applied. Now, let us discuss about the meaning of statistics. There are two meanings. First, the word statistics is used to refer to numerical fact. That means data which are expressed numerically, such as number of people living in a particular area or a country, number of births, number of deaths, number of accidents, etc. All these numerical data are called statistics. The second meaning says that it is the study of way of collecting, analyzing and interpreting the facts. Collection is done using any method of data collection methods, and we can make analysis through any measures of statistics, and interpretation, valid conclusion can be made from analysis. So that is why this process is called statistics. Now let us see some of the important definitions of statistics. Statistics are numerical statement of facts in any department of inquiry placed in relation to each other. This definition gives importance to numerical aspects and provides comparative study of figures. The next definition says that statistics may be rigidly called as the science of averages because averages are widely used to summarize the collected data. Therefore, statistics is called as the science of averages. The third important definition is it is defined as the science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data from the logical analysis. That is, the first step of the investigation is to collect data. This is done using any method of collection of data and must be reliable. The next step is presentation of data. The collected data are in an unintelligible form and it has to be classified and tabulated before they can be analyzed. After the presentation of data, the next step is to analyze the presented data. That is, the analysis includes condensation, summarization, conclusion. All these are done through the means of measures of central tendencies, dispersion, skewness, correlation, regression, etc. Final step is to interpret the data. That is, figures do not speak for themselves. Therefore, valid conclusion must be drawn on the basis of analysis. Correct interpretation leads to valid conclusion. So, in this session, we have learned some of the important definitions, meaning, origin and growth of statistics. So, we have got some idea about statistics. Let us see the rest of the topics in the next session. Thank you.